Now at 4:30, a heat wave taking over SoCal. A next weather alert is in effect through tomorrow as sizzling temperatures take over our region. We have team coverage beginning with next weather is in your neighborhood. Meteorologist Evelyn Tapp tracking the heat live from Lake Balboa. Ev?
Indeed. I mean, we are trying to beat the heat out here, and I'll tell you, at moments it is just so hot. You can feel that sunlight just beaming down on us, but we are getting a little bit of a breeze and thought of a great idea to cool down: paddle boats. But here's the problem. We just asked the company here that rent out the paddle boats, if we can go out. We thought maybe we'd take a little afternoon paddle. Well, they said they've got white caps out here because there is a little bit of a breeze. So it's a two-part equation here because the breeze is keeping us cooler this afternoon, but at the same time, we can't be out on the water. So that was a little bit of a bummer. All right. Well, we want to get a look at temperatures across Southern California right now because it is still hot. I'll tell you, I'm feeling it here. We are in the 90s and the 80s across all of Southern California, and temperatures, well, they're about 15 to close to 20 degrees above where we were this time of day yesterday. So a massive jump in temperatures across Southern California. We're going to continue to feel the heat. We've got that next weather alert up through tomorrow. Then we get a little bit of a break. Not much. We won't see an alert, but we're still looking at heat through the weekend. We're going to actually talk a little more about your extended forecast, of course, coming up very shortly here. But I do want to throw it out to Zach Boetto, who is live in the Inland Empire at a senior center that's been dealing, unfortunately, with unreliable AC through all of this heat. Zach.
Yeah, hey, Ev. Well, this senior center here in Highland has had AC issues for about a year now. They have the funding for a new unit. They just need final approval. Luckily, they do have a temporary solution and a bunch of fans going on because the temperatures, they're ramping up.
Between the dance floor and the game room, this Highland Senior Center is the place to be.
We all love to play.
And even though this senior center that doubles as a cooling center hasn't had consistent working air conditioning in over a year, the regulars like Dottie Horton and her friends love coming here so much that they've become accustomed to the heat.
We're just here for a couple hours and we just kind of suffer through it.
But temperatures across the Inland Empire this week are expected to get into the 90s, possibly even higher.
This is our parlor.
And while the center's director, Penny Lilburn, says fans, open door airflow, and the fun can make the heat more bearable, she says they need AC.
Considering I'm supposed to be a state cooling center, it's tough on them. It's not good. It's tough on us working here, so I can only imagine how the effect it is on them.
The senior center rents the building from the Patton State Hospital and is located on the same property. And Thursday morning, Patton employees came by to fix the AC. But Lilburn says it usually doesn't last long.
It's a Band-Aid. It's going to go down, I can assure you, in a couple days. And thereafter, and thereafter.
Now, while the senior center waits to get approval to put in a new AC unit with $140,000 in grant money they received back in June, they're hoping the AC stays on so they can keep playing on through the hot months.
Doesn't seem to prevent many people from coming, though.
So the center here serves about 79,000 seniors each year. They still need that final approval from the Patton State Hospital and the state to get that new AC unit to keep everyone that comes through here cool and warm during those winter months. Coming up here at 5 o'clock, hear from an HVAC worker about what you can do to make sure your AC unit lasts through this heat wave. We'll send it back to you in the studio.
All right. Looks like they're having a lot of fun there, Zach. Thank you.